Hello everyone, I'm back with a little something, and this was from Debbie Vignola, and she has sent me a card, and I did peek because I was in the truck and I was bored, so I opened it up and looked at it, and she said, "So glad you wanted one of my notebooks," with a little smiley face, and this is just amazing. And she made this. Isn't that pretty? And she has a tutorial on how to make this paper to look like leather. Isn't that gorgeous? And it kind of feels like leather, but it's made with paper. Set this out of the way. But isn't that neat? So this is the front, a little steampunk notebook. And I love this image. And she's got some clear corners on this. I haven't seen the clear ones. I like those. Or is it just tape? I don't know, but those are cool. And on the inside, this is the front page. And she's got some paper gears here that she has colored, I think. And then she's got some tags. She's got this one with some little eyelash trim, and then this one, pretty clock, and there's space on the back to journal. And then she's got this one, and then this one. Hope you're seeing that. It's dark. Very pretty. I love the tags. And then she has put some paper inside this here. And all the paper is the same. And I think she dyes the paper. I'm not real sure, but she has distressed all the edges. And then on the back, she has this. And some more gears. And two more little tags. And then the back again. So thank you, Debbie. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I owe you, girl. I've got something special planned for you. So I'll be sending it soon. Still working on it. So thank you, Debbie. I'll leave Debbie's link below. Everybody please go over and sub to Debbie. She's an excellent paper crafter. And she's also doing fabric now too. So check her out. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.